Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another Whop video where in today's one I'll be explaining to you guys how can you withdraw your affiliate earnings from your Whop account. So let's jump right into it. Now this is basically a tutorial of how can you withdraw any balance or any earnings that you've got on your Whop store. So to start off, click on your profile button in the bottom left corner and then head on to your balance. Now in your balance you will see your available balance. Available to pay out to your bank and available to pay out soon. The total of your balance will be listed right here. As of now, have none. So in order to withdraw it, you'll click on withdraw to bank or set up your Whop payments to withdraw to, for example, your PayPal or your Stripe. You can see the withdrawals right here. So right here right now there are no withdrawals. However, once you withdraw something from your account or from your total earnings, you will be able to see it in this list right here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.